Today, let's explore one of the simplest but most useful functions in Excel, the count function. The count function helps you count how many numbers are in a selected range. It ignores text, blank cells, or dates and focuses only on numeric values. The formula is equals count, range. Let's say you have a list of student marks from cell C5 to I15. You can type equals count open brackets, then select the range where your data is, then close the brackets, then enter. This will tell you how many of those cells actually contain numbers. Repeat it again, for remember, count function only tells how many cells contain only numbers. So, if 7 out of 10 cells have marks, count will return 8, not 11. It's perfect for quickly knowing how many entries are numeric, whether it's marks, sales, invoices, or payments. If you want to count everything, including text, try using counta instead. We'll cover that in another video. That's it. A quick and easy way to count numbers in Excel using the count function. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Do for more bite-sized Excel tips. Let me know what kind of problems you have in Excel under comments.